Okay, this is Mr. and Mrs. Future Duck Butter teaching you how to make the proper s'mores.
S'mores?
S'mores. She's making fun of me because I'm s'moring.
First you gotta have graham.
She said first you gotta have the graham.
Shush, I can talk, they can hear me.
Loud.
First you gotta have a graham.
Perfect.
Gotta put the chocolate on the graham. Then you roast your mallow.
Then you roast your mallow. Okay.
You don't get it black because it's nasty.
Don't get it black. Well, that's personal preference.
No, that's how it's done.
She says lightly toasted is the best. Don't get it black.
Oh. Okay, we're good?
Nope, not good enough. Mallow's not roasted.
It is roasted.
It won't melt the chocolate.
It's brown.
So hold it up higher.
It's gonna take forever.
Okay, a little bit lower, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. Back, 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 back.
It's on video.
Alright guys, if you don't know what I'm just hollering about, I have a dang oak tree in my yard that just almost dropped a freaking limb on top of my head. All we heard was crack, 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 crack. And there she be.
This is marshmallows that get gone wrong.
Back to the mallows. Come on, keep roasting. This is a video. You never stop.
Oh, sorry, we had a eruption. It's falling! Oh, no, it's not. Okay, it's good now. It's almost
Okay.
burnt. Then, on top of your chocolate on your graham, you gotta insert the mallow. Top with another graham. Cinnamon style. Crunch.
So actually this is my daughter. This is her very, very bestest friend,
Come here. I don't got a napkin.
which she's trying to rub her fingers on. And that's how you roast a mallow and make a s'more. Jethro out.